Good morning, good morning, good morning. Morning, Victor. What's up, Rio? Bob, we wake up, we're going for home runs today. All right. Okay, let's do this. Just make sure one thing is working. What's up? What's up, Ryan? Let me just write to one guy fast. Let me see what he has to say. Good morning, Karim. Hello, wonderful people. Hello, beautiful people. Okay, seems like that's going great. Let me just take out this, fix that. Let me just check my account. Oi, 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 that's nice. Maybe I should kill it before market open. Or I'm leaving it at break even. Let's see if it sends it for me. I think it might revert, to be honest. Who knows? Oi, 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 oi. This is gambling. Bro, holding this? Here, I'm gonna do this. Never mind. Let it go. I'm break even on it. Either way, I'm up 1,000. What's your bias for today? 1 second. My bias for today, bearish. Look at the profile. Volume S at the bottom. So essentially, today I would like to fade the highs on the value area high. This is something from Fabius. Can I connect lucid trading with Deepcharts? Yes, that's what I'm doing right now. I'm killing the trade depending if it goes higher above this. I'm killing the trade. No worries, bro. Okay. See if it sends it to POC. I'm covering another $1,000. Trailing it. Want to see it hit POC. As soon as it hits POC, I'm gonna trail it even more. And you know what? I'm actually gonna kill it here. Take the trade. I can't. Why can't I kill the trade? What's happening, bro? Huh? Is it done? Yo. Look, I can't kill the trade. I see. Hello? Why is it adding positions to my stop? You guys see this? It's like blinking. What's up, Peng? Rio? Is bug for you? Bro, look at this. And when I press... What? Yeah, hopefully it takes me out so I don't... Oi, 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 this is really pathetic. What the heck is going? Now we killed it. Blinking, I cannot close losers also. Blink is problem with data feed. Holy shit, bro. What's up with this? Okay. Okay, either way, screw that. Now back to another my account.
Disconnected.
Okay. Let's put up my practice account. I'm looking for shorts up here. Why can't you connect Lucy? I'm not sure. Do you mean why I got the... I don't know. I got disconnected and now I can't connect. What? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Many people reporting problems on the Deepchart platform. Like I haven't had problems like that, but like Zen said, it seems like it's the data feed. There are quite a lot of data delay recently. Can't kill the trade. When you enter the trade, you enter like 26 seconds later. It's like, okay, get your shit together, man. If you're gonna provide a data feed that's working. New app, they can't even change this. Yeah, I don't know, bro. This is... yeah. I'm gonna turn off the peaks on the volume profiles from the daily. Peaks are essentially high volume nodes. I'm gonna spot the zones on my own. Much cleaner. This is a full zone. It's not like the peak is gonna determine where we will stop. Okay. Trap buyers. I'm gonna play it more aggressively today. Let me just check if we got some news. We got at 4 o'clock. Nothing specifically. Trap buyers worked in your favor. Look at the speed of tape, the foot. They're pushing the pedal quite a lot, but where are the results? Bro, and they turn to green right now. Yikes. Yeah, these guys was not getting paid. Okay, we got the battle. Here are the zones. Let's see who will win. Who wins, who lose. If we recover them, I think we go to value yellow. Now the real question is... That's 2-1. Let's see. Red zone. Still got the fight. Previous day POC. This is a magnet area, so can anticipate some consolidation. By the way, this was, like Fabio says, Virgin POC, if I'm not mistaken. We got the Virgin POC test. Traded through it though. Crazy absorption. Yeah, these sellers lost. The speed of tape showed it super clearly as well. And now they are, I assume the auction is changing. Let's look at the profile to see the delta levels. Yeah, we're changing. The auction is changing. Check this. Trade above this aggressive level from the sellers. Pushed above quite clearly. Now we are at sensitive point. This is value area high. Yeah, value area high of the swing. Ideally, I want to take a short up here in the value area high on the previous day's profile. But yeah, I'm going to try to execute more today. Want to see what happens here if they recover these buyers. This is a trapped zone. Sellers will take trades. Like they will enter here. This is where resting orders are. Because we have this absorption. This is like a bookmark. No, book. How do you say it? Check mark. If I'm not mistaken. I think Fabio said something like that about absorption zones. So usually when we come back here, they re-enter the sellers. Okay, we recover them, it seems like. Want to see, look at the foot. I can't enter. What the heck is this delay? Holy shit. I'm a little early, anticipating that these sellers will not get paid and they will lose. And my screen froze. Better might be to wait instead for the closure, of course. I'm going to do that. I'm going to close the trade. Don't want to get trapped on the wrong side of the market. Here's the closure. I'm going to enter on it. Sensitive point above. I can't kill the damn trade. Yo, what's up with this platform today? Holy shit. Could have held it up here, but this is a sensitive point right here where we are right now. So that's why I took it out. Yeah, maybe it's not the best to Okay, here's a sensitive point from the sellers in value area high. I might not, you know what? I don't know if I should trade like aggressively today because I can't even kill the trade when I want to kill the trade. It's, yeah. Do this. Oof, look to the tick. Look at this. To the tick. Boom. Touch. We get reaction. This is the most significant level from the sellers on this swing. After this one. Or, yeah, this one is the biggest one. I'm scalping like crazy. Bro, watch out, bro, Rio. If the platform is not... If you have the same issues, bro, yeah, watch out. I can't reset. I thought that is giving problems. Okay, this is... lovely, huh? Can't even... Okay, I want to see what happens if we are now at the zone where I want to take a short. By the way, not financial advice. I forgot to say that. Let me just skim out to see what's up here. Yeah, this level is super significant. Clearly, big sell aggression level from the sellers. I'm not waiting for big trades here. I'm just gonna try the sell aggression level reaction. Only risking $15 because I won $17 or 15. Wanna see, maybe I can try to anticipate the move before it happens. Okay, take me out. Gladly that works at least. Okay, on to the next one. Today, I'm gonna go aggressively on every point. Everything I see, I would try to take execution on. We have a gap. Look at this gap. Pushed up. Now we reach the delta level up here. Oi, oi, oi. Yo, if we accept above with aggressive orders, we get initiation. I think the auction might change. I'm flipping bullish. Volume is still lower. Interesting to see what will happen though. Are we rebalancing all of this? Okay. yeah. Let's see. Initiation. Yo, we might get a move today. Finally. What's up, Akash? TW, what the heck does TW fuck you see? And my screen froze. Okay, nice. Okay, we're back. I like the foot on the breakout. Let's see. We might have an original model from Fabio here. So we got the breakout. You never take the first move. You wait. I'd love to see some trapped sellers trying to push it lower, failing, and then I enter. Because right now, if I try to take a long, I might get stopped. And it froze again. But I'm still wanting to be bearish. That's the thing. I like the volatility from the buyers. This is why I'm looking quite bullish now. And since we broke, you guys see this on the left side. This is the most significant level from the sellers. We broke above that like it was nothing. And we have interest above it. Might go higher. Oh my god, this is fucking freezing again. Price isn't going to the space. Are you controlling the market, bro? Guys, you don't know what will happen. You react to what is happening. Don't say you know where price will go. If you know, okay, go all in and then we'll see. Obviously, I might be wrong, of course, but from what I'm seeing, you see the bullish pressure? And I know that the bias is bearish. But I'm just aligning myself to the auction, to what's happening, reading the price action and volume. Okay, let's see. Maybe these sellers, if they lose now, I might be interested. I like the foot. Okay, I was a little slow. Oh my god. Okay, interesting. It froze. No. I missed the first trade. Let's see the second. Now, this is interesting. Look at this. Look at this. Oi, oi, oi. Oi, oi, oi. These guys are losing heavily now. Look at the foot. I might be tempted to take a short here. Just try it out. If it fails, I want to flip long. But I like this absorption from the of the buyers. And yeah, let's see if it fails. If it doesn't fail, I'm flipping long. There's your trading. No retracement. Yeah, I think it's gone. I think we are in risk of settlement and they're bearish for NQ. Price moving like crazy for lost 1K, made it back in 30 seconds. Whoa. Bro, I'm risking like $30, bro. I'm trying to catch the top now. Because of these trapped buyers and all of it. And we are in value area high. So, okay, going good, going good. Let me just see one thing. I need them to break below this, recover these sellers. And then I can go break even. If this fails right now, because this is the battle. And if this holds. Yeah, let's see. It froze. We're back. Close below. We recover them. I'm putting myself to break even now. So I want this zone to hold. If it doesn't hold, yeah, then I don't want to be in the trade. So this guy should defend me right now. Let's see. Maybe I catch the top of the day. Let's see. Buyers at the bottom. Getting rewarded, pushing past this. Let's see if it holds. I'm risk-free either way. This is what's holding. I want to see if this holds. I'm putting myself to break even right now. Let's see the retest. If it does, if this fails right now, we most likely will go up where sellers usually had control before, which is up where on my entry. So I'd rather take myself out for a profit. So I'm break even on the day. And we are at POC right now of the current day's profile. Okay, good. Remove that. Let me change some stuff. Property. How can I remove the line, the text on the show price? Okay, nice. Like this. Configuration, box, manage. Okay, remove that. Box. Let me remove the text. Save. Let me see if the boxes are now updated. And why the heck it went back to this? Property. Box. Let me see. Okay, nice. Now my box is updated. Okay, it went back up. Would have taken me out for break even. Instead, I got small win from it. So I'm break even on the day. This is quite chop. Nothing clear. Hello, Thomas. Please, Nasdaq don't consolidate. You can never. Don't expect too much, bro. Same thing happened to me, pal. It's like he knows where my stop was. No, it's fine. I put myself to break even here because in case he wanted to fight between these zones, like here and here, you never know. At least I got myself out with a little profit, so I'm break even on the day. But it's fine. I just followed my rules, bro. It's like money doesn't matter. Follow your rules. Follow the idea. But the idea is correct. You see how it went? It's easy in hindsight to say, okay, I would have helped. The important thing is to identify when you should look like... You get what I mean. I don't have to yap. I'm not gonna bore you guys with my chit chat. The thing I want to practice is on timing this better, aligning myself better. Okay, from Fabio's, not bootcamp, but his profiling and yeah, from his bootcamp. Usually when we have a V profile, a V-shaped profile like this, he usually want to fade value area high. So what I'm doing is that right now. I'm just trying to figure out where do I enter from. That was my first entry. Now interesting to see where we will go. How I can jump on the wave. Bro, didn't you take the... Yeah, I took the trade. Took the trade here. But after we moved lower past this, I put myself to break even because I wanted it... I wanted this zone to defend me. So I got stopped out for break even. Happens. Happens. Something from Fabio's... I don't think it's his boot camp. I think it's the scalp and something, what it's called. But it's also from the boot camp, technically. It's the same thing. Interesting zone up here. All of these trapped buyers. See them? Punching the wall. Initiation. And now look for continuation. So the thing he's waiting for right now, this is not financial advice, this is what I learned from Fabio, is this. Now, upon the retest, or the, let's see how it reacts. If we see traps buyers here, I don't remember what that model is called, but the guys that took the stream, no, the guys that have learned about it know it. I'm gonna leave Fabio streams, no trade responsibility. All right, good luck, Karim. Reload level. We came back lower. Second entry. Let's see. Might hold. Don't know. This is some of the model I'm practicing right now from Fabio. It's this punch of wall price action. We move lower. Initiation, which we got right here, this candle. They show clear interest in this move, in this idea. And now I wait for the retrace back up, maybe for the retest up here. For the retest of value area low. Cover myself up. This is more setup. This is Mr. Mall setup. 1-8. What is that? 1 to 8. That's a hero trade, like they call it. Brother, it means whole market move on auction mechanism and liquidity. Oh. Wait, what do you mean? Oh, I got so dizzy. I didn't understand. Akash was. It means whole market moves on auction mechanisms and liquidity. Yes. Maybe you want to say something else with that. I didn't get it. Okay, trap buyers. Look at the foot. I'm just trying to jump the train here. You know what? Let's see where they will get problems on the way down. Interesting level. We have a reload level. And also a level where buyers might step in. This is past absorption level, so this will act like support for buyers. Let's see. Look at the foot. We went above 100, so it can be a good indication that we might revert from here. Hello, Andre. This is so beautiful. Oi, oi, oi. I'm looking to take shorts. We got this intra level. Let's see if we get the retest up here. Trying the retest. Where did I get filled? Gonna cover myself above the, what is called? Zone. Let's see if this fails. We love a closure here. I was a little early, but it might be a good early trade. Look at the reaction. Trying to jump on the train. Gonna cover myself for... The thing I don't like with this trade is this. We touch POC. And usually when that happens on this range, we go up to value high. That's it. But now we got some trapped buyers here. And sellers on this candle winning as well. So this is a really damn good entry. If you even waited, to be honest. Okay, let me see how much I'm gonna risk. I'm risking $20, trying to make... Where did the sellers previously have? Buyers have control previously. Down here. So this is a 1 to 3 trade right now. Let me see. I'm gonna try to ride the wave. Buyers losing. Let's see if this holds. Okay. This is the level that I'm behind. Can you do some explanation videos on bootcamp strategies? I saw you don't know about... Alright, if I have time, bro. Why not? Brother, you use order flow to understand auction between buyers and sellers, and liquidity is the resting orders and stop loss which big players need to take to... Okay. I don't know why... Why the lecture? Nice. Hey, I don't know. Okay. Got cooked on the contest. Why, bro? Volume is in the greater again, like yesterday. Yeah, I don't like this as well. I might get stopped on this. Okay, why didn't I get stopped out? What's going on today? Bro, you say volume is not good, bro. My platform, like my feed is trash. What the heck is going on? Could have gotten that 1 to 3, but I agreed for the 1 to 6. Just because we are bearish right now. Let me remove all of this because this might confuse. No, but I think it's Akash. You're right, yeah. I use order flow to understand auction between buyers and sellers, yeah. Trap buyers at the top. Trying it. I'm gonna play aggressively today, I'm telling you guys. I'm gonna play it more aggressively. Yo, if these sellers lose now, like if this buyer, look at the foot, the buyer stepped in quite heavily there. Only reason I took the trade was because of this. Okay, let's kill one trade, so I secure 50. Put myself to break even, thank you. Reason, well, now we have this. So if they're gonna do the ping pong game, I don't want to be in it. Got my profit. And this is value area high, so it's a sensitive level. All right, good. Might try this on the rejection candle. If this fails, next level, value area low on the range up here. Hello, Vinaika. Now it's choppy. Yeah. Want to see the reaction in here. Trying it out. Cover above, risking my wins. See if it sends it. If it goes above, I'll break even on the day, and we most likely will come up here. Okay, stop that. Was that 500 contracts? Okay, I can't even see, bro. Shit. Okay, above 100. I'm gonna try something now. Oh, yo. I would have loved if these guys got trapped. But they are actually winning, so not good. It's above 100, but it's really thick green. And we are at POC. Okay. Oh my days, what's going on? This is really dead ass in the middle. I don't see if who is winning or losing. They're in the middle. Oi. And now we gotta wait another candle. Okay, let's see. The retest was actually really lovely. Massive buyers, how to learn Fabio's system, get his bootcamp. No follow through, yeah. Do you have access to Fabio's charting room? No. Or do you mean his profile framing? Then in that case, yes. Draft buyers at the top. Trying it. Cover myself above. Actually at POC. Giving it a go. Let's see if it sends it. I'd like to see some momentum go through all of this right now. Putting myself, de-risking myself, risking $24. I want to see this fail. If this fails and they have to cover themselves, yeah, then good times. If this holds, I'm gonna put myself to break even. Let's see. See if it sends it. But this level is the most significant one. And now I'm fine with going break even, actually. You know what? Let it run. Risking $24. I'm acting like I'm risking 500. I'm risking $24. I gotta remind myself that. That's the thing. I'm used to trading a lot bigger sizes. So you know you have to go risk-free really quickly. Okay, I'm up 1-3. I'm killing the trade now. So we killed it here at 1 to 3.7. It might go much lower, but I'm not greedy. Let's how do you say it? Buffer the account. Build up the account. Build my buffer. Something like that. No, he's live trading. No, wanna some videos for profile framing model? Okay. Do you want videos for model? I don't. This is the thing. I'm gonna do videos. I'm planning on doing some stuff. But I really don't have that much time, to be honest. I really don't. Yeah. Besides from doing this live streaming and stuff, I'm actually. I got lots of stuff on the side. I got a master degree to pursue. I got a business in another thing. I have trading. I have the Discord, and I have YouTube. There's the new mentorship to learn. Yeah, I think Fabio has. You can use the Q1. He has a mentorship. How much will the boot camp cost? I don't know how much it takes. Or what do you mean? I have an offer, but I've made it super clear. It's not mentorship. It's just I have learned a lot from Fabio, as you can see, and some people struggle with understanding it. So I'm simplifying it super simply for them. But it takes time, my time. That's what I'm taking payment for. The knowledge, you can get it from Fabio, from the bootcamp. But if you want somebody guiding you a little in his mentorship, then I guess there's an option for you in the Discord. And I'm not trying to how do you say it? I'm not trying to monetize it. I'd rather not have too many people. I'd rather just have maybe 2, to be honest. Master 4. Computer and system science. I'm becoming a data analyst / machine learning engineer. And I'm writing a master thesis right now about volume profile trading using algorithmic trading. So it's quite interesting. I'm learning a lot about the science and the literature behind trading, For example, here's a good take for you guys. I argue that many people say that the mental game is the most important thing in trading. Correct? But I argue that strategy is maybe little more important, because if you have a good model, a good strategy, your mental won't be as tested as with a bad model, if you see. But of course, the mental game is 100% super important. But do you see the logic? But obviously, with a good strategy, you have to be. Your mental will get tested if you lose. You will lose, of course. You know, it all comes down to backtesting. If you have backtesting, you don't have uncertainty on how your model performs. Bro, what you work other than trading? Oh, yeah, I got some stuff, bro. I got some on the side stuff. It's I don't think you guys would. How can I explain it? It has to do with data analyst. I'm gonna be honest. That's it. I don't know. I can't tell you more than that, to be honest. Where to find this bootcamp? In the Deepcharts official. I don't know. I think they should have it. Using the gamma. Just looking at it. Hero trace. I don't understand it quite good yet, but I'm gonna learn about it. You have to purchase Deepcharts. Exactly correct. How many scapping module do you have? More with my twist. More setup with my twist. scalping models. Yeah, I got momentum model. I got rejection week model, range model. I got quite a bit, but I align myself to what's present. So I don't know. You can really do it super simply trading what Fabio teaches everyone in his bootcamp. Take trades from value area high low. Take trades from Virgin POC. Simple volume profiling, framing, and so on. And you can just use that, actually spam that, get good at that, you will make money. The logic tells me you will make money. Like, you will make money with just that. If you follow it, of course. Well, I'm still a maths guy, hoping for get a degree for Cs. All right, nice. Is a good idea to forward tests with prop instead of paper train or jump straight from. I argue that you should use a prop firm account for practicing, because then your emotions get triggered. With demo, paper trading, bro, you would take a trade, you use 1,000 contracts, you go to the bathroom, come back, you forget you even took the trade. You don't care. With demo, you care. And what I'm trying to say, like, practice your emotions. Learn your model, practice your emotions on that model. So when you trade, you don't feel anything. You see me taking losses. Do you see me bug? No, I'm like, okay, let's go next. That's trading for you. You know your mentality, like, backtest your model, know it to the core, really, know the statistics and so on, and then practice with your mental game on it. That's it. And just spam it. You do OF after trading much bigger. Do you regular target POC as a take profit, or do you follow big trades for invalidation? Yeah, I take profits at POC. POC is a magnet and a decision point. So it's a high volume node, and you don't know if buyer will step in there or seller will step in there. So take the profits and take before POC, actually. We can usually get a quick move, you know? There's no point to greeding. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, let's go back to trading. I took my profits here. Do you see why I did it? I don't know where I took the trade, but I guess it was something here. It was a 1 to 3. Something like this. So this is value area high, sensitive point. Usually take profits there as well. Okay, we touched POC. Now, wouldn't be... We usually touch value area high after. This is from statistics. So usually we test value area high. Like, look at this. Let's study this together. You see this? This looks like a clear sell setup, right? Trap buyers at top, sellers are winning. It might go, but from my statistics, when we touch POC on the range, we usually go up here. So this, for me, would be a fake out. Look at this. And there's your touch. You see what I mean? But it's a super clear, like, look at this, like, the setup. Doesn't become much better than that, huh? But I didn't take it because we touched POC. Yeah, POC is a good for target. Never trade within POC because large volume means a lot of contra and a lot of back and forth with the pricing. Exactly. Ping pong area. Don't diddle in the middle. Stay out of it. That's why usually when I am at current day's profiles POC, I'm usually like, okay, I'm gonna kill it. You know what? Let's plot out where it is. Okay, never mind. It wasn't there then. Yeah, no, I never diddle around POC. However, this is from more setup. This is a good place to scalp. So when we touch value area high, this is a high win rate. Now, the risk reward might be quite shit because you have to target. I usually like to target back to value area low, but this is a 1 to 3, so yeah, nah. Let me know if I'm yapping too much and I should stop talking. Let me know if I'm not clear in something, if something is unclear or I don't know. Now the real question here is something I'm watching here is look at the foot. If we go above 100, I'm interested in taking a short actually. If we go above 100, because this indicates most likely a reversal. But before that, no. I'm waiting. And this is also something I'm gonna study doing in my backtesting sessions. How many times does speed of tape or like what's the win rate on this model? Here for everyone that's interested. Now we are at this area. I'm looking at the speed of tape. If we go above 100, Fabio says we usually get a reversal, which might be a good entry trigger for me. Because right now it also looks good. Trap buyers at the top. But I'm waiting. I want to see the trigger. It's much better to fade extremes, or if there is an issue, then wait for breaker. Exactly, yeah. We perfectly hit previous day's poke. That was my area of take profit for the day. Nice. Now we are on yesterday's low volume area, so let's wait if see if accept value or rejects if the second time. Yeah. Let's see. I like it. I like a community of order flow trades. Everyone has their ideas, takes. Like, for example, Peng right now mentioned a low volume node. I didn't even think about it. Now that I look, that's true. See? We learn from each other. In the end, we're all humans. We can't see everything. Squeeze on top? No idea, bro. Let's wait. We have a low volume node. We usually go fast through them. And if these guys have to cover themselves, the sellers, the big sellers here, well, then most likely, and this guy as well. But this right now is a rejection level candle, okay? So, yeah, we got little of both words here. So what do I do? I'm waiting. I want to see a displacement, looking at the foot. I want to see a displacement above, aggressive orders above, saying, yeah, we want to push it. Like this. Makes sense. Look how fast it. Oh, yo. Let's see. Look at the foot. Oof. Big aggressive orders above. Did somebody catch that? I never take the first move. You know, that's the reason why many people get faked out. I learned my lesson. I wait for the second entry. So clearly we displaced above. We displaced above. Now let's see what happens. There we go. I might do a Fabio trade here. We usually, when you take the retest, you can then cover yourself below all of this buy aggression. But yeah, because you might miss the move, which is fine as well. Look at the foot. turning. Me bet 15 points, entry with 700. Ay, ay, ay. Nice. Clean. Well done, Andre. Testing it. Might be early. Might not. I have quite some profits, and I'm gonna also enter one more. Try to scale in. However, if this goes below here, I want to get taken out because these buyers then clearly lost. Okay, let's see. Looking at the foot. Cover myself below all of this. Let me risk my profit like that. Okay, let's see if we can ride the wave if we go. And let me also zoom in on something to see where we have a wall. Aha, okay, 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 okay. Okay. Okay, covering myself below the big buyers. Let's see if it sends it. Taking out half my position up here. If it reaches. My aim. This poke. Where's that? Oh yeah, that's a quite a way up. Aggressive order. If this fails, we got quite some protection on the way lower. But of course, I'm gonna try to monitor it as best as I can to my ability. Okay, buyers got recovered. If we close above, buyers got recovered. Oi, oi, oi. Now, if these guys fail right now, it might be a good place to kill the trade, actually. I'm risking $36 to try to make... yeah, quite a bit for this account. We gotta get past this. This is the level. I'm gonna take out... yeah, I'm gonna take a profit here. And it edged me. That's quite unlucky. Okay, I'm even gonna rise it, put it even higher. That's a 1 to 3. If you come up here, what's that? 1 to 6. Okay, let's remove this. Feels like we are forming a range right now, and then I don't want to be in the trade. Still behind all of this. Okay, let's just leave it. Pock of the leg is 24,906.5. Okay. K. This is not a good sign. You see these buyers here? They're getting absorbed. I'm pulling the trigger on this trade if this doesn't succeed. If these sellers doesn't 300 contracts. If these sellers fail, maybe we will get the push up now. Stuck in the chop. What do you have? Big trade contract 60. Think I'm getting stopped out here now. Yep. That's unlucky. I got little edge there at the end. Okay. I had a good feeling that it would turn around because look at this. They're failing 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times. 4 times. Trap buyers at the top. Not a good sign. But it's good that we kill the trade before it sends it to the abyss if it goes. I'm looking for re-entry though. We're right under a value area high. Yeah, we broke above. So what I was betting on was the continuation, which we kinda got, but it didn't go. It stopped here. However, now I'm interested in playing the other side to practice some stuff. I'm gonna take the trade here. I don't want to wait. I got risk. I can risk. Okay, touched poke. Usually we go to value area high then. I'm gonna kill the trade because we have accepted back into value. Maybe I should let this go and try to look at it from this image. You know what? I'm gonna try a little odd setup here, right? I'm going to try something. We got these trap buyers here, okay? Sellers, initiation. Try to cover myself right above all of that cluster of aggressive, of trap buyers. Let's see if it give us the move lower. To where? Here. this significant buy level. Cover myself right above all of this. Above this range. The only thing that I know, and it's quite bothering, is this. We touched POC, okay? So usually we come up to value area high then. But I'm gonna try to go against my model for this. Or my rules. I want to see how it performs here. Trap buyers top, buyer sellers are winning. See. Quick retest. How is CVD? Don't know. Don't use it. Aggressive sellers being respected. Buyers trap. This is what I made money early on at the value area high. Nice, nice. Yeah. If I held my position here, I also took the trade. Where did I go? Where was it? I think it was here. I don't remember. If I put it here, I would have get paid, but I put myself to break even quite fast. I'm gonna try not to do the same thing this time. And I also think this is the last trade, to be honest, because it's 1640. But I like the session. Lots of executions. I got to be a lot in the market. I'd rather do that than winning all the time or losing with the shit. Yeah, clearly we're ranging now. Yeah, let's wait it out. Some people say you can't practice on prop firm account. I'm practicing on prop firm account. They say because you will blow the account. How? If you guys see, I'm literally, my trades, it's not risking that much. This is what I mean, bro. As I wanted to. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if we get that everlasting value area high retest that I've been constantly just eyeing. It's like itching. It's like I don't want to be in this trade because I know it will most likely touch the value area high. I want to rather take the trade here. But yeah, and then on that insane, how we say, now we recovered all of these buyers as well, which is not the best. But look at the retest. Did you see to the point? Look at the reaction to the tick. Boom. Reaction, push lower. Let's see. We might even fail now and go higher. Then I'm gonna try to jump on a buy. However, if this plays lower and then gives me a retest here, that's even better. Whoa, wait. I got stopped out, but we haven't reached the level. Hello? Hello? What? Is it delay? It was delay. Maybe we get the continuation now. Here's the retest. Did we touch it? We didn't retest, right? Nope. Oi, 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 oi. Market is becoming boring now. Let me try the more setup. The Martin setup. This is going to poke, right? Yeah. No, I'm done for today, guys. I'm not gonna trade. Market is now just being quite boring. He's gonna chop, he's gonna go, he's gonna chop, he's gonna go. So it's not the most. Either way, I enjoyed this session. A lot of executions. I would have to go through more of them sooner or later. This was one trade. This was one trade. And then I risked 2 contracts on my winnings today, making me go to break even, and then I lost the last trade. Now, you know what? I lost the last 2 trades. Okay, I'm gonna place this one, and then I'm going to actually go off from the PC. I will have to go. I want to come back to the trade to see how it went. Good practice. This is another model I'm researching. The POC retest after we accepted back into it. Cover yourself above for a lower move. Trap buyers at top. Feel like gambling. Yeah, trading is technically gambling. Yeah, if my type of trading right now is a lot of limit testing. So, yeah. If I only wanted to take high setup trades, then I would have just taken one trade today, and it would have been this one. Wait a lot bigger stop loss. I would have placed it like this if I'm only going for high quality setups. But then I have to risk more to make more, and you know, yes or no. So I can't take trades like this, just trying to fade stuff. Yeah. All right. Amazing. 30 minutes left. Let's wait. I'm gonna wait out this trade. Gonna do some stuff. Be here with you guys before I turn off the stream. Huh. Couldn't find bootcamp, but I found IVB modeled by Faber. You should contact Deepcharts. I think some guy did it. He contacted him, and then he got on some way he got the access to the bootcamp. I don't know how. Don't ask me, to be honest. I don't know. Do you trade on personal account or prop firm? Prop firm. And deep effort. Okay. Yeah. Yeah, I only trade on prop firm account. Yeah. I got myself a Lucid account. Yeah. Got myself a Lucid account. And I hold on to these accounts quite a long time. Let's see at the retest of value area high. What is your target per day? I don't have a target. I'm not getting this account funded. I have another account that I have two accounts that are actually funded. How you manage drawdown on Lucid? What do you mean, like risk less? Look at my trades. I risk 30 bucks. Doesn't phase me. Trust me, if you guys want to, that's how you practice. Paper trading, I call it, that's my opinion. I call it bullshit. Paper trading. You have no emotions. For payout, yeah, simple. Risk 50, try to make 150. That's a 1 to 3, you're done for the day. Okay, we are at value area low. Will this still do the ping pong action, or we will get the displacement lower? This is pretty much low volume nodes. Yeah, we got some low volume nodes. If we move past this, I think we will get the explosion. Back into... By the way, where is... Here is the low volume node. Ah, okay. Let's see if these sellers fail now and we push lower. I might kill the trade. I have to go in 9 minutes, so it's better to kill it. If we go below here, we accept below value area low, and this sellers doesn't get trapped right now. That would be a bummer. And they are in fact, I don't know what they are in fact doing. They are getting trapped, maybe. Let's see. No, if you made 500 and lost 8, you will have minus 130. Oh, you mean drawdown? 2000 is for Lucid. So wait, no, bro, Andre, it's not like Apex. It's not. It's end of day. Apex has that bullshit. It's not like Apex. Lucid is end of day, so what you have on the end of day, that's what will get deducted or added and so on. Why not trade on minis? If I trade on minis, I don't think I would have this account much longer for practice, if I'm gonna be honest. Bro, look at this price action. Hoi, can we get a move? Or are we gonna keep chopping here? It's chaos with Apex. Yeah, bro, Apex. Some people enjoy it. Yeah, I don't do it. Bro thinks you're rich. Trailing drawdown is a crime. Yeah, I agree, bro. That's a fucking crime. Do you get a payout? Do you got a payout from Lucid? It targets are easier than other friends and price also cheap. I'm on my way of getting a payout. I'm on my way. Oh my god, this is so... Oh. Okay, I really don't have time for this. I'm going break even here. If it stops me out, that's it. I don't have time for this trade. Let's put it to this. 100. $100. Send it for me. Lucid has the fast payouts in the game, I believe, from when you request the receiving fund is in. Yeah, I haven't gotten a pay with Lucid yet, but that's something I will see. Let's see how fast it is. I leave. $70 is enough. Yeah, good call. Good call. $70 is $70. I'm break even on the day if it goes back up. I'm gonna practice. Here's the retest. Value area low retest. If this accepts back into value, that's quite interesting then. This is what I'm looking on. Look at this, 737 contracts. Oi, 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 this is a big level. The only thing I would like people to take from this is the thing, how I'm practicing. You don't have to blow an account. You can actually practice like this on demo. Of course, you don't get me wrong. If you risk, if you don't have the mental game for it, you take a loss, you take a loss, you take a loss, you get pissed off, bro. That's not gonna. And one thing is true with this. Usually, on my practice account, it's much easier to get funded than on my real accounts, because you don't think too much. You're like, okay, it's practice account, and then it goes a lot better. Fuck off! I'm killing the trade. Okay, I'm done. Amazing. Wow, what an impressive ending. Okay, was a 1-2 or 2-1? It's good. Awesome. I'm up. Now I'm done with this account.
Connected.
Let me check this account. How much did we make on this account? I traded the tournament account. I think I made $2,600. Yeah, okay. Let me just check real fast how it looks on the deep chart contest. But shit entry. What do you mean, bro? I got what was it? 1, 2, 3, 4. I was not even in drawdown, bro. Was it like here? I was drawdown a little. What do you mean, man? No, but I know what you mean. So entry at POC, not the most ideal, but this is a good testing thing. Look, value area high test, POC test. I'm satisfied, bro. I'm satisfied. Is just me or is it shorting a lot easier than longs? Yeah, shorting goes usually a lot faster than longs. This was a gamble, right? Do you mean on the contest? On the contest, no. On this trade, it was a test. It was a test trade. Not me. I got in the short and I got shit. Okay. Happens, bro. Let's see. Let's look at this for really fast. Let me just see. Where is it? 40 range. 4 range. What the heck is this shit? Oh, yeah. Okay. Calm down, big bro. Let's check more setup. I swear sometimes it's like pitch like perfect. Like really perfect. Cover yourself above these sellers. You send it 1 to 3. Morse model. I have a love-hate connection to this, relation to this model. It's great, but sometimes, bro, it's like fucking pain in the ass. Scalping on the 4 range. Scalping on the 4 range. Let me see the contest. How does it look? I'm placed 52. Traded 3 sessions. Some people are up on 7 sessions. Oi. If somebody's trying to win this contest, send it. Send it every day. Either you make 5,000 or you lose 1.5k. It's no in between. Here I can even take a trade for that account before I end the stream. Why not? Okay, maybe a little shit entry, but send it, bro. Send it. How much do I have to make? $2.5k, okay. Let's see, maybe we accept back into value here instead of rejecting. Beautiful. 2.5k. Come to oi. Let me take out. So I'm up 3.5k. Put myself to break even. And the rest, I don't know. I'll put it there or something. Okay, good stream, guys. Shit, I'm 900. Wait, bro, I thought it was like you can lose an account if you... No, wait, never mind. 969, 59, bro. How many people are in this contest? I moved up to place 51 right now. How can I join the cup? It's too late, bro. I was also too late, but now I might make it. I don't know. I'm placed 35 now. Let me kill the trade. Let me see. Yeah, I'm placed 35 right now in the contest. What do you guys think? Should I try another trade to try to make 1.2k fast? Bro, trying to make money fast in trading is the pure reason why everyone gets shit on. I love when I say it. I can fucking feel the like, bro. Let me see one thing here. Maybe this is fun for you guys at least. So what I've seen from past experience is that we will go above this with an explosion. I'm gonna try it. And my shit froze. Okay, nice. And then we can get the reversal. Previously, I tried to, how do you say it, catch the retrace here. But many times it goes above, actually. Let's see, let's see. Value area high. Longing in value area high. Yeah, it's like you're begging for getting stopped out. Send it, bro. I've seen you do this 100 times. You send it above here right now. Don't be shy. How can I don't know, I will make the comeback, bro. Do it, bro. Do it. Let's go gambling. Like, it's not purely gambling, but because I've seen it 100 times. Okay, we went above. But we usually get the retrace here, like the reversal here. But now, I was a little slow, man. Let's see. This was a break above, retest of the value area high. And let's see if it sends it. I'm gonna cover myself to... Let's see the retest. Nah, if this fails right now, then yeah, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I'm stopped out break even. All right, guys. Have a good rest of your day. Yeah. You see this? Okay, before I leave, bro, I love this. I swear, I love it when you do some backtesting and it keeps showing and showing. Previously, I tried to short on the as soon as we come here. But I've seen it 100 times. We go above, we get trap buyers above, and then we reverse, bro. Okay. Sorry for my corniness sometimes. Oh shit. Okay, yeah, I gotta go, man. Shit. People are fucking making money right now. All right. Have a good day, you too, everyone. Thank you for the knowledge. See you tomorrow. Sounds good. Great. See you. Thanks. No worries. See y'all tomorrow. Have a good rest of your weekend. Have a good rest of your day. All right. Bye-bye, everyone.